Ciao nice people, welcome. We are back on our code, our Twitch integration. Let's see if it works again. Wait, I was testing showing text on screen. Let's see it working. What did we do last time? Well, we had, if we put an explosion in chat, we also explode in game. Also, this guy should move when you write a direction, like up, will move him up, as you see. That's the bare bones I made of the controls. Though, if I want to make a game integrating Twitch like this is not how I want to do it. Also, shows the last message here. Also, is Priscilla doing anything? No, she's a parallel process now. Okay, I want to do two things today. I want to have Twitch chatters joining a fight, like not a fist fight, like literally a RPG fight. And second, I want to customize the users defaulting with defaulting. I don't know, I could default by the base character, or it's cooler if they default based on a randomizer based on their username. I will see. First, we go with a battle against the usual goblin. Let's have the monster in question. We don't have a goblin. Why don't we have a goblin? Let's go with a zombie, sure. Okay, no music, thanks. Also, the side battle system is much better. Where is it? What else? The music. I may be muting RPG Maker for this. Oh, you know what? No battle music. Same. Okay. The goblin is definitely a little too close. We need personal space. And we will also remove the characters. Michelle, Casey Elliott, go away. Okay, so now we have the bare bones. We have the protagonist raid and free space for whoever joins. Yeah, I'm making this easy, but it definitely isn't easy. So, I have zero idea on how to do this, but I'm pretty sure RPG Maker has the option to make characters join the party from in the middle of the fight, because it's impossible. Nobody try to make a battle cutscene where, oh no, I'm losing, and in the middle of the fight, ha! I'm here to save you! And the music changes and they win. So there has to be the option to join mid-fight. Let's see. First of all, let's try with a basic feature. There is... Where is it? Here. There is the option to make something happen every turn. So, I think it's definitely possible to have someone join in the middle of the fight. Let's see. Let's say turn number 1. Oh, I have it in Italian. Ha! Wait, it's cool! She appears from behind! That's lovely! Okay. But, of course... Well, we could have two options. I suppose the better option would be to have this one appear in regular intervals. Yeah, I think I don't want an ATB. I think everyone decides their turn, so at least in chat you could have an option to choose a move, right? Or I could make some ATB. I think even ATB, but with long cooldowns. In any case, the easier option is every turn I check if someone joins the chat. I think it's much easier. Though I need to place it in every battle, but I think it's for the best. I think it's super simple. I make a common event that copies and manages what happens. Also, if I really want, I can hard code it in every battle, but I don't think it's necessary. So how do we manage that? First, let's see if it works. No, we don't want everyone. Let's see if it works if I start from turn 0. Okay. So, they appear before... Ah, interesting. They appear before any action. What if I say turn 1? Oh wait, we should say at the end of the turn. I kinda want it ATB though. Let's see. Let's make it ATB. Active. So there will be no wait. And we'll see where Priscilla appears. Okay, she comes, okay. And the time passes. To make it fitting, we should make every actor to be automatic. Here, auto fight. Why it's not in English RPG Maker? Ah, sure. That means everyone needs to have this one. I wonder if I can just set up everyone to be like this. Like a status that applies to everyone, but... I will see later the problematics of this. For now we have automatic battle. I wonder if you can set up the speed of the battles. There is an option, definitely though in the script. I will check another time though. First we need to manage the spawn of the characters. So this happens in turn number everyone, okay. Instead of this we call the common event 2, which is check if chat spawns. Okay, and this one every round checks if someone arrived. We can receive data from the code. We did this code last time. It simply checks if any information arrived. I don't remember well though what information we receive. So let's see. I don't know why I have Italian names for everything, I'm sorry. Here it checks my local code, which is this one. The listener to the stream, in a way. Checks, receives information from the chat. Again, for example, here it shows the app and the explosion we said. And the information we receive are these. We receive the message and a list of messages and users, right? Not only we receive a list of messages of users, and if someone said an explosion in the last second. So it's simple, we just want to get every user, and if they are not in the list, they will appear. How do I know if a user is in the list? Good question. We should keep a tally of whoever is in the team or not. And this is simple, we can just have their username. So we should rename characters based on the username. Let's make it simple. For now we will always take the user number 0. How do we manage the information here? So, if there is at least one message, we do. Then I think we should save all the new users in a list, in a variable, even better. So, if we should define a variable for that. Twitch users in chat here. Literally number 1. If it's 0, it means it needs to be initialized. So I suppose we should set the value to empty array. Would be cooler to make objects made of... No, there's already an object for that. It's the players of the game. I don't think we need anything. Okay, we define an empty object. And now for each different person, we add them to the list. So, how was the for each? Damn, I forget every time. Let's see. For thanks auto-write. So now for every Twitch message we have, we will do. We can do yes. Message user. So we can do. Is the music a little loud? Sorry. I think it's fine. A little too enthusiastic though, maybe. Oh well. Wait, can we have a little chill here? Okay, just a moment. I should find the chiller music maybe, okay. So, now we have the user, we want to check if we already saved the user in the variable now, a 1. So we should just say, since the user is a string, we can have if, how was the contain, if, we should also do this. Const users list, and we define the variable 1. I think it's much easier to manage. Okay. And also we need to update this one later, huh? We can do this. User list is empty. Okay. Or even better, we can just say this one. User list is empty. And later we will override the variable in any case. Okay, so now we check if the user list contains. It's not contains, right? I forgot. Check if includes. I remember it was not contains. I don't know what though. So we check if our list of users contains the new user. If it's not, we will add it to the list. Users list dot add. It's add, right? No, add was for lists in C#, right? It's push. We push the user. That's it. No, it should be a loop. Ah, wait, no, it's already a for each. Okay, then. Is this enough, then? We will have a full list of Twitch users. Unfortunately, I cannot do it for the other chat, which I also forgot to open, so it's my bad. Eventually, I will make it appear on stream, don't worry. I'm about to check it if I was ignoring you on the other platform. And this could be enough. No, wait, we need the last step. We need to save what we changed. Okay, variables set value. We set the variable number 1 with the user list. And we are done. Let's see now. Let me get the chat now. In the meantime, we can try. We don't even need to update the code of our server. Because, well, we only changed the game code here. As long as we don't change the server code, it's fine. Okay, I got the other chat. So, let's see what happens. If something happens. So, nothing should do anything here. And... this also does nothing. Okay. Though, the variable should be saved in any case. Let's see. Every 30 seconds. Let's see. Switch variable number 1. It's 0. It's wrong. Let's see. Number 1 is 0. It's wrong. Why? If user list is 0, should be defined with empty. Oh, what am I getting wrong here? Let's log the answer and... you know what? It's better if we log the user list. And see what happens. So users, how are you? It's not going. Why? Because there are no messages! Of course. Yo. Now we have a mess. Maybe I shouldn't do this one a constant. Yes. Okay. So close. You again. And now we have the array RPG Waldorf, which is the list of all the users we have in chat. Kinda sad, I know, but I'm working on it. So, now if we say variable 1, we see, even from RPG Maker itself, if we watch variable 1, we see RPG Waldorf. It's me! It's me, guys! It's me! I'm in the game! I may want to call Rhea after to add on some numbers, but for now we are here. So that means I should definitely call Rhea right away, actually, you know. She should be on the other browser. Okay. I'm sorry. I should use a MILF instead. Nah. We need some marketing for Invaligator. Rhea needs to come by and work for once. Nah, it's fine. She's already doing a great job. So first, we know we will have a second user. So now we are gonna check if someone spawns in chat. So what does it mean? We need to check if someone gets added to the list, maybe. Though I think it's fine to have a complete check of the entire list of players every turn. It's definitely not heavy. Also, there's a map error on the default map. I don't know how it's possible. This one. Should be like this. Vabbè, I don't care. So here I send the information to the server. I need to wait because this is not sync. It's async. Which means I should not do it right here, because I need to wait at least some frames. So this will just call the information from the server. We need another one that activates when I received all the information from the server. And even better, I can call it only when there's a new character, which we can technically do it, actually. Let's see. We can do const... No, it's not a constant. Or it is. Const old length. It's users list length. Oh, hi Zoro, welcome. This will be interesting. It is. I'm trying to see now if I can spawn someone. For now, I'm just storing the list of everyone that is in chat. Wait, I'm not sure. Let's go. Now it should say... Well, it should be in the game. But it should say We have Zoro the Galled in chat. Nice. Or at least one of the last messages are from Zoro the Galled. It doesn't really read the lurkers, but it's fine. So we can check the length of the user list before. And we can do if user list length is more than the new one, we activate a switch. Game switches, set value. We should decide which switch. Which I like the name. Wait, no. Wait, there's a problem. In battle, parallel processes don't start, right? I don't think parallel processes start in battle. Why not try? Oh wait, I will play with a sound. This one. This one will play every 2 seconds. If the switch one is active. I'm not sure it plays in battle, the auto event, but I will see. Okay, we have the sound every second, every 2. In battle? Doesn't play. So this is not how we should do it. Ah, we won. This is not how we should do it. We should not rely on parallel events. Well, I think the solution is easy. If we activate the switch number, we should make some order on those. 41. Twitch or whatever. Here. New user. Okay. We should just do every troop. Kinda annoying, but if the switch new user is active, then it will spawn. Wait, we can even do not a return, like the instant. Here. If someone appears, we will... No, wait. There is an issue with this. We need to make 2 separate ones, right? Because first we need to check every turn if there is something new. And then, whenever we receive the information, which will happen instantly when a new user spawns, when a new user is detected here, we will call another common event. The number 3. Which is... For now, we will just... it's a normal one. For now, we will just do a new party member appears. Of course, we will change it after. Let's see. Is it active now? Wait, also we should... It's off, nice. We should have the enemy a little healthier here. It's 1 HP, definitely not enough. So we can store a little for reinforcements. Okay, and now we wait. The battle is automatic. I will try to write something in chat. Did it stop? Did they stop? Oh! Did they deactivate the switch? I think not. I did not! I did in fact not remove. It was running infinitely. Okay, again. Now they should fight. If I write other letters, we should have... It stopped again. Why? So I called this one to add Priscilla. And they should call this one every tot turns. Oh wait, I did the same mistake, right? Because this plays infinitely as well. This should happen once a turn. So the check happens once a turn. The spawn whenever the switch is ready. Don't let me use the whole alphabet, please. See? Please. Nobody's joining. Nobody's joining. Let's see, we should add some debugs. So, first, we should also have a print of the entire list at this point. Okay. And here, a text. Let's see. Now, we attack. 0, okay. Nobody appeared. Let's see now. We should make tunes faster. It's still empty? Does Waldorf not count? Do I count? Also, what the hell? Okay, here. What the hell gave the goblin the paralyze? Oh, well. Oh, Danix joining! Look at you, Danix! No, wait. Should appear. Okay, something is wrong. We need reinforcements, though. We are stunned. Okay, we have a problem. Let's see. Also, every tune should say again the name of the chatter. And now there should be also Danix. Haha! Look at you! Look at you! You're on stream! You're on stream! No, nobody's joining. I don't get it. This should happen when the switch new user is active. Ah! No! I didn't set anything. Okay. Okay, I forgot this one. So we can remove everything and should happen. Let's see. What the fuck? You're on stream. Try to write something. Ah. Okay. Danix appeared. Well, you're called Priscilla if you don't mind, you know. Too bad it doesn't work with a third one because for now it's hard-coded. We are about to fix it though. So, let's see. We need... This is not that easy, right? We need to check the new ones. You know what? It's probably better to save who is in the team, right? Like, instead of adding users to the list, we should add them to the new users list. We should make 2 lists. I'm Priscilla, I'm the baddie! You're the waifu, Danix. How do you feel about it? I think we should have 2 variables. Users list and new users list. Which is stored in a different variable, the number 2. Okay. So if one of the 2 is empty, we need to initialize them. And we don't need to set up the old length. I needed to check. Let's see. I will still set the switch because it's the best way to have the condition for the troop. I feel strong. You're the romantic interest of the protagonist. You're the strongest one. The love always wins. Let's see you in action though. So, what was I planning? First we need to reset. Okay, I fixed the variable. So now, for each message, if there is not a user in the list, we should add them in the new list. Okay. And at the end, if the new user list is not empty, then we say to the game, hey, there are new people. And we save them. To be fair, we don't need to save the user list because it will be saved in another spot. At the same time, we don't need to save the original user list. Okay, so we have it. We will have here the second one. New users. So what do we do with this? We know here that will be a new user. That means for each of them, we need to spawn them. Love interest incoming. If you want, when everything is prepared, I can spawn you and Owari here. So we cannot do a for loop in RPG Maker with the base code. It's possible, but it's much better with code here. Or you know what? It's even better if I do it with this. If I add code here. I think it's more practical. Add new party members. Okay, here it's simple. We need to get again the information of the variable 1 and 2. And we initialize the number. We initialize the variables if they are empty. So users list and new users list. We initialize if it's empty. And now we need to put the new users in the old users. So we can just do users list is users list join. I think it's join, right? No, it's not how we want, because we need to move them one by one. We need to move Zoro, we need to move Kelly Kane, we need to move Rhea. So we don't join them all together. We need to do one by one. So we do again for each. So for every new user, we know it's new, we need to create a new party member. Which party member? Well, if we take the order here, we should just count how many are in the list. For example, at the start there is 1, so we need to add the second one, then the third one and the fourth one. And of course, I will take the opportunity to change the name. So we need to get the length. So const current actor is the present players list plus 1. That means we need to spawn the actor number users plus 1. How do we spawn someone? Good question. Remove this one. Okay. Can I open a new tab, please? Okay. So, for this we open the holy grail of script calls. How do we add a party member? With gameparty.addActor number. Simple enough. We do gameparty add actor current actor. And not only that, we need to change its name. How do we change a name? Again, good question. I don't know. We are checking here. Change name. Game actor name, set name, and this is simple. Let's do it before. Also, we should initialize the actor when it joins, right? For now, let's see. Game actors. Where was it? Actor current actor. Set name, and the name will be users. User.name. No, user.user. Simple enough. Not very practical, but it works. We set the name of the actor. I think we need to reset it though, right? Let's see. Party member. Okay, initializing is another call. Okay, I think we can do it. Game actors dot actor current actor dot setup. Wait, why do I need to set up to say the variable again? Does it mean I will duplicate them? Oh well. For now, this code should be enough, right? We need to just remember to save at the end to add them to the list and to reset the new user list to clean it, clean, to purge it. So let's do it. Users list dot push, and we add the current user. And we purge the... We need to purge it at the end. New users list is empty now. Last step, we save in variable set value. We save everything. We update the main user list. This should be enough. There's definitely some problem, but I will never know until I try. So, when you spawn a new actor, now I simply call this one, add new party members, and it will do everything on its own. Should be enough. Let's see. Okay. Oh, come on. Users list includes not a function. Users list. Where is it? Here. It's here. Why it's not? Ah, because I did not initialize it. Okay, then let's initialize it as well. I thought it was not necessary, but I suppose it is. Because by default it's 0, and 0 is not a list. Okay. Error for 04. There's not error anymore, and let's see if you spawn. There's not. Let's see. E. If I say something? Oh no. Everyone is paralyzed. Okay, let's see if someone spawns to save the poor raid. Anyone? Does anyone came? Did anyone came? Maybe the tune does not count if someone is paralyzed, but I don't think so. Okay, we have a problem. And we don't even know we... Oh! Connection refused. What do you mean? Why is it not working now? Let's do it a normal way. So. Void road less resource. Why now? Is it locked now? Oh! There's an error on the server. Okay, I think I can just relaunch it. Before the... Oh, you doomed me. Now next time I open there will be an explosion. Nice. Wait, before I start it I need to disable that I will spam the stream again. I need to make a specific call for this maybe. But here we go. Okay, now should work. Let's see. I don't think it saved the new messages though. And did also not save the explosion. Oh well. Let's go. And let's see. Let's see if someone spawns. Come on. Oh, okay. Set name of null. I see. I see. Here. I tried to set the name of someone that does not exist. How? We will call it here next time and see where the error lies. Attack! We are so close. We are so close to make it work. You can attack at 3. Wait. So it's here. Let's see now. Ah, okay. It already read the Zoro line, right? Yes, it's Zoro. Let's see what stopped Zoro from spawning. Current action is user list. Wait! Why is it undefined? That's the issue, it's undefined. No, but it's still length 0, right? It's an empty array, it should be fine. Let's see. Current action is none. Oh wait, why list? Oh no, I did a mistake. I don't even know why. It's user list dot length. Why list? Oh well. Now should be fine. I think it's fine now. Let's see. Now, idle moment. Okay, here Waldorf tries to spawn. It's number 1. No, wait, it's wrong because it's length +1. So, well, it's fine. I will rename raid, but it's fine. And next one, it should spawn also Zoro the Gallant, number 2, which is the new actor. Nice. Here we appreciate. Well, okay, it's half working. Zoro came, but it's still Priscilla. Ah, why killing Michelle? Where are they coming from? Okay, wait, this minute will also add the new party members. I need to add this plugin to extend the party size, of course. Though we have some problems. Let's see again. It's definitely calling again, right? Ah, okay. It's not purging the list. I see. Why not though? Oh, because I'm not saving the list, of course. Okay. Still, why I'm not saving the name? Maybe the name does not update in battle? No, that's not it, right? Please. Okay, and we update even the new user list. Now let's see why we cannot change the name. Where did it came from? Power of friendship, of course. Let's see. We can do game actor 1, set name. Fake Harold. Returns undefined, and it works. Fake Harold. So why it's not working? Fake Harold 1. It's definitely working. Oh no, I'm stupid, right? Don't answer. Because I set the name and then I reset the value of the actor. For a moment I thought, oh, with this I will be sure that I apply my last change. No, it's the opposite. If I have to do it, I need to do it before. First I reset the actor and then I place it. I don't think I even need to reset it, but let's see. Now, should be... Wait, since I'm here, I need to do the last change. I need to add 2 to the length. Because it's -2. No, wait. No, 1 is right. That means though the first one will always be the first user that writes. So it starts with 0. It's fine. For now I will keep it like this. I just need someone to start, of course. For example, if I write, I will simply rewire raid into Waldorf, right? Let's see. Undefined. Oh, I love this name. Why is it undefined? Let's open the debug and go. I will wait. I think it's even better if I have it running a update loop of the battle. It's much faster. And also it's not slowed by the animations. Attack! Okay, at least Zoro will spawn with a coherent name, right? Let's see. So current actor 1. The actor resets. Current actor 1 set name of undefined. Wait, I only saved the name. Ah, I see. It should be user. That's the actual name. Ah, yes, I forgot, yes. The list of users is just a list of names, not the messages. So it's just a list of strings. Let's see now. See undefined, and maybe Zoro will come now. Where is Zoro? I need the... Okay, undefined too. Oh, I love those unique characters. Okay, we need to fix this mistake. After this one, though, probably will work. Ah, wait, later? No. I will do right now. And I want to see if I can make it faster. Now, it's RPG Waldorf. Nice. So we have it. Now, to make it faster, it's, I think, actually simple, right? We need to have the, how it's called though, the game map or battle scene. I don't remember how it's written though. We should check from the main code. Also, let's play music again. Okay, at least we have something. So should be scenes. Scene base update, no. Scene base, scene splash, title, map. Scene battle update, here it is. So I should remember how to do aliases because I never do. But we should just make an alias of this one and call this one by default now. So we just call this one in the update of battle. Every frame though? Do we want to call every frame? We should call every second, so we should have a counter then. Okay, let's have a counter. If let's make a global one, I don't care. Counter to wait to check from server 0. If the counter is more than 60, we receive data and we reset the counter. Otherwise, or I set reset. Otherwise, we add 1. Okay, and we of course call the base functioning of the update. Otherwise, it stops working. Again, how do I do aliases? I always forget. I was working on an alias right away in Invalidate, right? No, in the skip cutscene for 5th era. So this one. Like we the one here. Okay, we set up an alias, and we have name.callThis. Simple. So we call the alias like this. Const alias to battle update to check server is this one. And we define it again, and we call the original one. So it means we do whatever we want before calling this. Literally this. Okay, should be fine. Now to be sure, we remove from every battle this thing. We don't need to check if chat spawns every time. But we need... I know, we still need to spawn the new user, right? We could do this through code still, but we will keep it for now. One step at a time. Now. Let's see now. How do we know it's updating? We need to write a name and should be instantaneous. Doesn't seem to work. Is there a mistake? No. Huh. Did I do something wrong here? Let's see if... something happens. If it... Okay, it's cold here. But nothing happened. Oh no! I was not increasing the variable. I was increasing the function. What does it even do? What? Wait, what happens if you add one to a function? Huh? I don't think I wanna know actually. Let's see. And now it's just instantaneous. Here. Now, if someone would write, I don't know, someone else, they would appear instantly! Oh! We literally have Rhea in battle. Okay. I'm already happy with what we have now. We need to extend the party size, but I will do it later. I think it's just a matter of plugins. Most importantly, I want the random character. And that's definitely hard to do, but it's doable. So, how do we do it? I think I should bring out the Zero Maps. The Zero Maps project I was doing. Because here, I managed a way to randomize a character and use it as a battler. Or literally have... Okay, not this void map. Literally have a battle against random NPCs. They take a while to load. Also, there's a Dinia High. But it's definitely possible to load a randomized character into a battle. It's not easy though. That's the problem. Testament. Next battle, the protagonist will have your name. And maybe your custom skin, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Oh, there is the problem though, the randomizer chooses a gender randomly. I suppose someone though I can add some options for someone to... I don't know if I want to let them change the vestiary or what they wear all the time. But I can definitely have an option to change gender. Body type, okay. Let's say body type. So, did I make a random plugin? Yes, random human enemies. Damn, I wrote a lot. I did not even publish this one. Maybe on Reddit once, but that's it. So, I need Visual Stella, Battle Core, and Character Make needed. Though only as enemies. As a characters, maybe it's easier? I don't know. Can I make them as playable characters? It's definitely possible with randomizer here. Like here I added someone in the party, Mikael. So it's definitely... What if I enter battle? Okay, yes. It's definitely possible to have them as playable characters. You can just have it here. Actor ID and basic type, easy. Female, kid, also male, female, MV. Okay. So it's simple, I can just call a randomizer on actor. So I will use the plugin of MPP character make, right? Yes. Let's get it from here. Also, I'm sure I also had here the seed random to have a fixed randomizer. We will get this one as well. And this one, for whatever reason, stays in the main core. Let's see. We have two projects now. So it goes here, and I'm pretty sure I need to change the main, right? Main has... It has to go somewhere, right? Does it just stay here? It cannot just stay here, right? It needs to be called by something. And it has to be this one. No. Then I'm confused. Let's see what happens if I remove it. Otherwise I will just try to add it at some point. Okay, the seed is not random anymore. She's cute though. The only one way to know. Can I just randomize something here and we will see. So we get the number 3, which is a random between 0 and 9999. Let's see if it's actually random. 2837. Okay, it's not applied. How do we apply it? I don't remember how I set up it. I don't think it needs to stay here. Oh wait, it actually is. It actually also needs to be called as a plugin. Or maybe just as a plugin at this point. Okay, I just duplicated it. Sure. Okay, here. Seed random we have. Now if I just add it here, we should have the same number. 2299. Easy. Ah, wait, I was already calling it. Maybe I need to... Honestly, I have no idea. Maybe at the start, maybe I need to set it up. Let's see. Maybe I just need to call it at the start. When I create a map, it should be called. Where is it? 0 maps. It's calling it somewhere. Let's see. Seed random here. If we set a seed, the random will always be the same. Let's set random. Yo. The important point is strings can be seeds. Ah, never mind. Wait, seed random is not a fun. It's not a function. Maybe I need to check how to set up characters. Or to set up the randomness of the seed. Do I really want it? Huh. Let's see again. The seed random here defines the function, right? Ah wait, I need both of them. Okay, I need one as a core, as a main function or whatever, and the other as a plugin to call it. I see, I see. So I need both of them. Now it should be truly random, I promise. It's 7140. And now it's 7140. So we have their fixed seed. That's awesome. Time to attack. You want to join? Well, we are one step closer. Now we have a seed random, and with this we can assign to every user a specific character that we don't even need to save because it's based on the username. The trick is this: the character of each username is stored on the username itself. So, I need first a way to use them. Also, I'm curious to see my my character or Zoro's character. Let's see. Which was the plugin? Character make. Why there are two? MPP character make. Let's see how it was used. We can just define it and randomize. Okay, we don't need anything else, right? Definitely nothing, okay. We just insert it with the defaults. Wait, do we need the randomizer parts in the folder of the game? I think we do. Okay, we definitely do. No problems. I'm just copying everything. Okay. And I can definitely add new stuff. TV. SV. Okay, here we are. Let's see, now when I generate a new character, I need to call the plugin, and that's not practical because it means I need to call it through code, and calling a plugin through code is a mess. So let's try it here and we will copy it. So we have set basic type. For the actor ID, let's see, 1. And the basic type, we can go male. Okay. For the other call, we have the randomizer. We don't need the character make screen. Randomize of the actor number 1. Okay. So it's in the event number 1. To know how to call it through code, I can do this. I can go in the data of the map number 3, check the event number 1, and see how the parameters are exactly. Wait, where are the parameters? Did I save? Event number 1. Where is it even? The number 1. Where the number 1? Where's the event number? Ah, okay. It's this one. Did I save? Maybe I'm checking the wrong engine? No, the wrong game. So, okay, here the parameters. We have them. Character make, actor kind, set basic type. Here. That's all we need. Not really, because I don't remember how to call plugins in the first place, but not a problem, we can just check our games. For example, I clearly remember there is one call in Respawn Banter. It's somewhere, I swear, here, okay. Plugin manager call command, interpreter the name, the command, and the parameters. Okay. So we want to do it when we add party members. So after you set the name, we want to call two commands. First one, well, they are both from the same. They are both from MPP character make. The first one calls set basic type for actor. Here, which we will do. We literally use those. Actor ID 1, kind male. Do we need to apply quotes here? Actor ID, though it's not random this time, it's It's the current actor ID. We will insert it as a string. Okay. And the kind, we are gonna only do males now. Sorry, don't call me a masculist, but it's easier to test now. We're gonna randomize it later, and someone can set it up maybe. Okay, so we call just this, actor ID and kind male. And we call the one after, which we set, let's see. We set, wait, actor ID, this is the parameter. I don't think it's important, okay. The second one is this one. Change parts random, operation 1, randomize parts. And we just need to set up the actor ID, so this one is actually easier. Is it a string or an integer or a number? Okay, it's a string. Nice. I can just copy it here. Okay, and this one should, I repeat, should randomize every character based on... Wait, no, we need the last step. We need to set up the seed. So, to set up the seed, we just do set random right before randomizing. So set random based on the username, of course. Okay, and now everyone has a fixed seed, until I change the random parts. Let's see it now. Oh, we have Zoro, but nothing changed. We have RPG Waldorf and nothing changed. Huh. What's wrong? I should first try to call the plugins on my own. Maybe it doesn't work in battle. If I call it here, file not found? Huh. Maybe that's the mistake? Also, what are you not loading if I didn't find anything? Oh well, let's see. Actor ID 1, male. And now we set a random. Literally random. 1. Well, first I'm checking everything is fine. And now random. Nothing changed. Should I just copy this one? Maybe I need to wait a little. Let's see. I will make this one a randomized. Oh wait, we don't have a character number 4. This one we randomize actor number 1. Raid. And this one, well, same. Oh, Red is not fine. Red is suffering. What's the issue? Maybe I need to set up... I don't know, honestly. Am I missing something? Maybe something to initialize? No, nothing is a parallel process. I'm missing something. This one works flawlessly. I can just randomize the 4th party member. Though I can't here. Basic type male, maybe? It's still actor ID 1. Probably because it's missing something. It says here, file not found. Though I don't get it. I think I copied everything. Let's see. Wait. It's not in the images, it's here? What do you mean? It's in the main folder, in the root. Sure. Let's move it here then. Now we still have the problem, right? Yes. Wait, let's see where it's trying to read the files at this point. Generate. Wait, do I need to call it generator? Void maps? Ah, generate! I copied the wrong one. No, but it has the generator folder here. Never mind. It doesn't. Okay, yes, I see. Here, everything. Damn, that's a lot of files. But maybe now we will have finally our very awaited for custom characters. Though I definitely need a command to make a user switch gender. Like in the game, I mean. There's still the issue though, I may want to save them just in case, because if I add new elements, all the randomness will be messed up. For now, let's see. Now maybe it's the time. Okay, yes! It's literally red with a different color, come on. Let's see. Well, at least it's also... Here, at least it has a different color now. And if I say, yo, it will be Waldorf, right? It did not randomize anything. Also, did not update the face. So, there is still the issue of it needs to update in mid-battle. That's very unfortunate. Though, it only happened for Waldorf, though. Maybe for new characters, it won't happen. First, it's Waldorf did not update. Are you still here, yeah? Can you please write something? No, doesn't work. Too bad. Maybe after battle. Too bad I cannot do anything here. I think it's wait, we should try with the code maybe. Like we can do on turn, at the end of turn number 1. Michelle will spawn and will be randomized. Before we randomize her, we should also want to randomize Raid to see if something happens. Let's randomize female, of course. Okay. So at the end of turn 1, let's see. Did I make her join the team? Yes, okay. Okay, and she's randomized. No, wait, no, she's not. She just has the default asset. So maybe you cannot randomize mid-battle, or maybe you need to wait a little longer. Honestly, I don't know. I will add a random seed just in case, but I don't think it will be the case. Then we need to go a little deeper in the code. Wait, why is raid always like that? Wait. No, it's the random that doesn't work. It's the random that doesn't work, wait. It's not even calling the menu for random. We are missing... Oh, okay. It's from the wrong hero. Oh, still not working. Then the issue is somewhere else, right? It has to be. Okay, I honestly have no idea. Does it work here? Yeah, it under... Oh, Red is angry now. Okay, little better. It definitely works. Okay. We don't need the editor of characters, so it's fine. Though it's not doing anything. Is there a plugin we forgot? Is it random battle core? We don't know. We don't need warehouse. Maybe we need the character make OP. We maybe need this one. Just to be sure. So, here. Both of them, go. Okay. I hope I don't need to set up one of those. In any case, it needs to be added. Okay. And now, we have the character editor screen, which we don't need, but at least it works. Now, if we just call randomize, will it work? Okay, oh, we found the issue. Okay, maybe now in battle, it will work. Let's see. Right, should randomize in the turn number 1. Okay, it did not randomize anything. So I fear mid-battle it's impossible to randomize. Which is a shame. No, wait, it's... No, wait, I'm calling it here, so it's not even a code problem. It's something I cannot call mid-battle. Unless I do some fancy update. I mean a refresh. Though, how do I even do a refresh? Also, I update Michelle before she gets added, so maybe I need to wait also after I randomize her. I don't think it's the case, also because Raid does not get updated, but let's see. It gets defaulted, at least raised. Here. And Michelle appears with a default drip. I see. Then we should take a different approach, right? Oh, Rhea is getting ads. We should take a different approach. Because there is a trick. Well, trick. I can technically read a random character just from information. Let's see. Just from a string. Where is it though? Probably here. Small fixes. Right? Okay, here. For example, here I have the list of characters saved in a string. This is the generator code. And I can use this to read them, to run them instead of, to load the character instead of random, instead of any picture. Like, instead of a picture, I can tell the game, no, don't read the cara.png. Read this one. Of course, passing to the plugin. There is still the issue of... I cannot wait. If I generate it, we still get the code, right? It just doesn't apply. So now it's just a thing of intercepting the code, right? Huh. Doesn't sound like an easy task, though. Let's see. We need to go with the random character generator code, which I don't think will be easy, but let's see. So select actor kind works. Change parts random does not work. Let's see. Why it's not called? Why it doesn't appear anywhere? I'm a little confused. Does it appear here? Okay, it's messed up. Okay, so here. Wait. I see. It doesn't work if the team is in battle. I don't care. I don't care. It always runs now. That's my decision. Please be the easiest fix in my life. Well, not easier, but let's see. It works! It works! Look at this! Look at this! Why do I need to check if I'm in battle or not? I want to be random in battle. Now we can see if it works with... Well, first I need to check if it works without waiting. Because unfortunately waiting during code is hard. During plugins. It's possible, but I would prefer not to. Let's see if I can do it instantaneously. Also, it's nice. I can also apply it on characters that are already here. Okay, yes, it works. It works. Wait is not required. Delete. Now, we don't need anything, right? Go. We got the battle. I write whatever I want. And now we got the... Okay, we are missing something. What is our... Wait. Did I save? Ah, wait, maybe I... No, okay, I saved. Then I don't get it. Wait, let me retry. So it's the plugin character make. Randomize parts. Though we did not apply... Huh. The basic type for actor even didn't work. But it's the right plugin. Also, randomize parts, it's named that it's... Huh. This should work. I will try to run it turn number 1. Okay, please. Okay, here, it works. It did not update the portrait, but that's an issue for another time. Also, I could, if I want to load the user portrait, but the user profile picture, but I will keep it like this for now. How do we do it? The randomized parts, it works. We can see it works. Let's try again. Event number 1. It's literally this. Change parts random. Wait, which of those do I need? Test. You're so close to seeing your RPG Maker Sona, Zoro. Wait, this is the right name, right? Not this one. Wait, which is the right name for the call? This is right. Maybe. I get it. Maybe I said wrong the name of the first call. So the second one does not work before the first one is called correctly. Maybe now. Let's see. Also, here's Zoro! Okay, Zoro, your RPG Maker Sona looks pretty sick. Oh, wait, it changed? Ah, yes, okay, the first one was Zoro, RPG Maker Sona. The second one was the one that was called by this one. Which we don't need anymore. Attack! Oh, yes! Well, no, the commands still don't do much. Oh, here's Zoro RPG Maker Sona. I need to see my RPG Maker Sona. Let's see. Oh, that's me! Yes! 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 I love it. I love it. I'm a little sketchy, I'm not gonna lie, but I still like the drip. I like also I have a color pattern. Like also all on the red purplish. Smash boom beef. You know what would be cool? Well, first I should make the turns a little slower. But also, if you write in chat a move you have, you will cast it next round. So it becomes sick. We can do it right now. No. Maybe next time, because we need to rewrite the custom auto battle. And I don't think I can do it right now. I could try, but I would first fix other things. Like, for example, a way to change gender. Though we should include the randomization of the gender in the randomness itself. So let's see. Now there are I was about to say something controversial. Now we have two body type options. Okay, maybe it sounds better. So here the randomness will still be decided by the seed. Though if we don't update the seed, our RPG Maker Sona will be different. I will see what our RPG Maker Sona with the random gender is. Though for optimization I will only keep one random. Let's see. So let body type male. If mat random is more than 0.5, we have body type female. Okay, this again will mess up with our RPG Maker Sona, but we need to set up the gender. I will not set up the gender kid. We don't want kids here, they should be thrown down a cliff. I'm kidding. Halfway. Let's see. If I write something now, I'm the same. Wait, does it even... Did it work with the random gender then? Maybe it only randomized one thing. Huh. Let's see if Rhea will have something lucky. No, we still have some problems with the gender. Is it female in the definition or? Yeah. Body type is random here. Let's see female. A forced female. A forced transition. Doesn't sound kind, right? And now let's see. Oh! Wait, I'm a granny. I think I'm a granny. No, not really, not really. I'm a good wife. Okay, so... Maybe the randomness is wrong here for whatever reason? Yes! It's wrong. My bad. Okay, now the randomness of the gender should work properly. Now let's see. By default, I'm a male or... Okay. I like this one as well, though. My RPG Maker Sona is not bad. I might want to implement a way to reroll your RPG Maker Sona, but... For now, I will keep it like this. And maybe later customization, though I don't know, honestly. Okay. Before we stop, well, we kind of want a list of stuff to do. It's not a problem if this one doesn't update. Though I kind of want to load party members even outside of battle. So we can have it here. Parallel new user, so it happens out of battle even. And we deactivate the switch. Let's see. If I write... Here. Damn, that's me. Well, I have... It's literally the same shirt I have in my avatar. Okay, I'm kinda ugly here, but that's the price of progress, I suppose. So, we should definitely keep notes. Also, I kinda want to move this on in another project, but maybe another time. So we're gonna do some moves to say in chat. Gender, sure, body type change. And save it. Reroll character. Customization. What else? Well, of course, we need to learn skills. What else? Oh, I suppose items, but I think it's included in use items from the party. That means I need to save the items for each character. That's for another time. Okay. That's it for now. Oh wait, party sides, of course. Would be cool to have a party sides like a disposition like that's my exploit keeper, where the soldiers are positioned in rows instead of all in a long line. Though I need to I need to consider a lot of lines if I don't know, I get a raid. To be fair, a raid with a raid would be cool to have a raid attack from the... Yes! You know what's super cool? I want that when there is the raid, someone arrives and does a super mega attack. Like, you see the character joining and doing a super attack towards the enemy based on the raid power. I don't think it will happen anytime soon, but would be absurdly cool if that happened, you know? Okay. So for the change, we can manage a change gender, to be fair. It's not hard. We need to save the information though, right? And RPG Maker needs to load it. To be fair, we can save... I will save the user information on the server. And I will save the character customization on the game. Huh. Which is harder though? I suppose? I think it's better if I save every user in the server, right? No, I think I can do it in the game. I will save every user with a character, information, the level, the item, the spells. Okay, so we need to have it here. So at the end, I think I will do it in game. Is it? No, you know what? No, in the server. This way, I can store or change information even if the game is not playing. I think it's for the best. I need a new container for it though, but it's fine. Okay. And at this point I need to see if I can split the server into parts. Like, I want an extra code just to store everything logic, character related. So I don't mix it with Twitch, pure Twitch stuff. Okay. I think I will stop here. But this is absurdly cool. Let's do it one last time. Wait, I need to make myself outside. Here. And Zoro can, okay! Your RPG Maker Sona looks sick as well. The other one was cooler though. Though he has like 10,000 HP, I think it will take a while. Let's make rejoin and see if the random female works, please. Yeah! Yes! Yes! Perfect! It's more like a MILF, but I think it still counts. Okay, maybe in 3 we can do something, I don't know. I don't know. Wait, for now we are managing with 4 party members, though we definitely want to add an... I think there should be a hard limit of like... Maybe not a hard limit. Though it would be nice to rearrange them in battle if new people join. Or maybe they just stuck up. They stuck, I don't know. I like the expression here. Still more a MILF type. Okay, that's everything for now. Let's see if we can raid in someone now. We have a good raid power. We can go to... I think we can go to Meowie. Playing Subnautica. Ooh, that's nice. Okay then. That's everything for today. It's incredible that we are doing this already. Let me take a screenshot because this thing is absurd. And I would love to make a game out of this that we play in the first like 5 minutes of every stream. Let's make 10 even. Like I start the stream 10 minutes before when I plan to stream, and anyone in chat will auto fight with some comments. That looks sick. Oh yeah, wait, there is the timer for the raid. Then, thanks again for coming by. We will see each other tomorrow with Critipedia. We have a new game. And that's everything. We see ya whenever happens.